This is another receipt tool. It's called Itemized Receipt Generator. And when you start it, you will be seeing the blank space. And hit the Fill Example button. It will populate this input field with certain example values, which you can edit now to see the receipt in real time. There are lots of templates. You can click each to see how it's going to look. But if you want to look professional, look something, which is what you get when you hit the print. These are more realistic ones, but I try to include fancy ones because some folks demand fancy ones. They want to look different. Nonetheless, let me show you all of its features. And here you can show barcode. For that, you have to turn this on. And when you turn it on, a barcode will be shown, and when you turn it off, it will be removed. And you can also adjust all these tax rates. Currently, it is added on top. You can also include it in the price, and in that case, it will not add. But now, when you choose this will add accordingly. It is adjusted. You can also adjust the labels. Currently, it's shown sales tax. You can adjust that. There is also multiple items. You can delete them or you can add them. You can adjust the quantities. You can adjust the unit price. And the amount, it will be calculated by multiplying these two values. You can adjust the category. You can adjust the tax rate. You can also adjust the currencies. You can include these order numbers, receipt numbers. You can update the store name. Let's see. As you can see, it is getting updated. You can also adjust the font. These fonts are used for typewriters. You will not see much variation, but that is expected. That is shown over here. Once you're done, simply hit the download PDF. You can also download it as PNG. You see, this is the PDF. You can also download it as PNG, and that will open the PNG file. If you want to start afresh, simply hit the reset button. That will delete all these values. Now you have to populate all these yourself. But I prefer the example one, where you have to only edit it once. You can also update the URL for the logo. Currently, it is empty. Now the logo has been uploaded. As you can see, this is shown over here. You see, the logo is being shown in every template. I try my best to place the logo at the appropriate place. And that's all. If you have any confusion, ask that in the video's comment. By the way, I am building this pin flow app, which creates your pins from your products. Using the beautiful templates and brand, then all of them automatically get scheduled at the appropriate time. And there is also a randomization so that it doesn't sound like a bot. And it automatically selects, using AI, which pin dashboard these pins are going to be posted into. And everything is done automatically. You have to invest only 1 hour to schedule 30 days of pins. And therefore it saves a lot of time. It is like a virtual assistant. Thank you.